Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make smoked chicken breast. All right, so to get started, we're going to open our barbecue up. We're going to be using our little Rambler today, and then we'll get some firelighters going. Then we'll get our charcoal chimney on top, and then I'll fill that about a quarter of the way with some lump charcoal or briquettes. All right, so we've got about 10 minutes before our charcoal is going to be ready, so we'll use that time to trim and season our chicken breast. Just got two nice large chicken breasts here. I'm going to trim any excess fat and silver skin off, and I'm also just going to square up the thin ends. And then once your chicken breasts are trimmed, you can season them. I'm going to go ahead and season in some of my garlic galls, but if you've got another favourite seasoning for chicken, go ahead and use that. And now our chicken breasts are all trimmed and seasoned. We'll come back once this charcoal's ready. All right, now our charcoal's ready. We'll remove that for a moment. We'll take off this right-hand side cooking grate, and then we'll dump our charcoal in that bottom right-hand side. And I'll just make sure that charcoal is all piled up over this far right-hand side. Then we'll close our lid, open both of our vents up, and give our barbecue a few minutes to preheat. All right, now we're up to temperature, which for this cook, I'm going to look to hold it around 250 Fahrenheit or 120 Celsius. We'll open our lid. We'll get a nice chunk of smoking wood on. I've gone with some beautiful pecan. We'll get that straight on where the fire's burning. Then we'll get our chicken breast on. I'll place the thicker part facing towards the fire. You can smell that beautiful pecan already. Then we'll close the lid and let these smoke away. So if you're using a meat probe, put it in at the start of the cook, because all we're really going to do now is take this chicken breast until it reaches an internal temperature of around 160 Fahrenheit or 71 degrees Celsius. Then later on, once this chicken breast is done, we're going to rest it, which will continue that cooking a few more degrees until it reaches that safe eating temperature of 165 Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. I reckon this cook is going to take around 45 to 60 minutes, so I'm just going to let these chicken breasts smoke away now, and we'll check back in once we're a bit further into this cook. All right, and just over an hour, I reckon this will be done. Let's have a check of the internal. Right on that 160 Fahrenheit or 70-ish degrees Celsius. So let's get these out. And all I'm going to do now is put a little bit of butter on each chicken breast, wrap them up in foil, and then we'll let them rest for about 10 minutes. All right, and while our chicken breast is resting, we're going to get a pan on medium to high heat. All right, and once your pan's hot, we're going to add some oil, and into that we're going to add some green capsicum, red capsicum, and brown onion, along with half a packet of fajita spice mix. And then we just want to cook that for around 5 minutes until they've softened up and got some nice colour. All right, and then after about 5 minutes, you can add your favourite pasta. That pasta's already been cooked, but give that a stir through. And then we're going to add a good cup worth of cream cheese, and then we're going to melt that down and mix it through. All right, and once that cream cheese has been mixed through that pasta, we'll put this aside, have a look at our chicken breast, dice it up, and we can add that to finish our pasta off. All right, so we'll unwrap our chicken breast and save them wrap juices, because we'll add that to the pasta as well. So we're just now going to simply dice it up, add it to the pasta. And honestly, this chicken breast on its own is amazing. You're definitely going to try it. You can use it in so many different ways, in tacos, pasta like we're doing today, nachos, as a pizza topping. You can add it to a barbecue platter. So quick, cheap and easy to do. All right, so now we're going to add our chicken breast in, along with those wrap juices and the rest of that fajita mix. And we'll give it a good mix, and that's ready to serve. So I've made that dish before and just fried the chicken breast first, but seriously, adding that smoked chicken breast just gives it that extra level of flavour. It's so quick and easy to do, it's super tasty, the kids will love it, and it's quite cheap as well. So there you have it, there's how to make smoked chicken breast and also how to turn it into a nice pasta. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. But for now, that's the end of the video, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.